Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Samsung Galaxy Fold luxury launch. Got that coming right up. On February 20th, Samsung introduced the Galaxy Fold, its groundbreaking foldable smartphone. The other day, in an article from The Verge, it gave us more details about what the launch will be like, so I thought I would read some excerpts from this article, and I'll post a link in the description below. Samsung is planning to hold another press event in early April for its foldable phone. The Galaxy Fold maker revealed its plans in an interview with The Verge and Mobile World Congress today and hinted at a high-end luxury launch akin to what we saw with the Apple Watch Edition in its 2015 debut. Quote, at the beginning of April, we'll have a full press event, quote, says Kate Beaumont, Director of Product Services and Commercial Strategy at Samsung UK. The press event will provide a closer look at the handset and will be held a few weeks before the product is expected to hit stores on April 26th, priced at $1,980. It's a price that surprised members of the audience at Samsung's Galaxy S10 launch event last week and will mean most consumers will stick to traditional smartphones until these foldable phone prices drop. Samsung is bracing that though and targeting foldable phone at the high-end premium market. We'll have less supply than we would at the S10 launch, and also how it goes to market is really important to us, explains Beaumont. This is a super premium device and we want to make sure it has a concierge-like service and experience, so it's not going to be on display in all stores. You're not going to see it on the stands. We want to make sure it's a very personal experience. There will be quite intensive aftercare that goes with it as well. That means you won't be walking into your local store to try out the Galaxy Fold and then sign a contract and walk off. It sounds like Samsung is taking a similar approach to how Apple launched its $10,000 Apple Watch Edition, with supplies restricted to select retailers. I asked Beaumont whether the Galaxy Fold will be limited to luxury stores, but Samsung isn't detailing its exact retail plans until April. Okay, well there you have it. Samsung is planning a luxury launch for the Samsung Galaxy Fold probably a few weeks before the actual release date of April 26th, so stay tuned to Bill the Technology Reviewer and we'll get you all the latest breaking details. Question of the day, do you plan on buying a Galaxy Fold? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the technology industry, Twitter, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day for technology.